Hi, I'm Scott McDermott. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with Roper St. Francis Physician Partners. I primarily subspecialize in total hip and total knee replacement surgery. Healthcare has always been a large part of my life. A lot of my family members are in the medical field. However, it wasn't until I spent a lot of time with my orthopedic surgeon neighbor that I decided that I wanted to do medicine. I'm a fellowship trained total hip and knee replacement surgeon, and what that means is I took an additional year after my training to work on hip and knee replacement surgery. I take a lot of pride in being a one-stop shop for total joint replacement, whether it's a simple primary, a total hip or total knee, to something very complex or a complex revision type surgery. When I'm not working, I enjoy spending time with my wife, Mariah. We have a cat named Tony and a horse named Owen, as well as just recently started picking up tennis. I think that the care at Roper St. Francis Healthcare is top-notch, and nothing makes me happier or more proud than when a patient comes back to me and comments on how great their experience was, whether it be in the hospital or in the clinic.